Beneficial Juggling presents Outside Throws! Learn 4 tricks in 1. Over the top, tennis, half shower, and reverse cascade. Over the top. The most basic juggling pattern is called a cascade. Watch how every ball goes underneath the last ball. These are called inside throws. Now we can do the opposite of this as well. Watch how the green ball goes outside and over the blue ball. When done one time, it's called an over the top. Now it goes back to inside, and now it's going to go outside again. Tennis! Tennis is an awesome trick. Watch how the green ball goes over the top, back and forth, while the 2 blue and white balls both go underneath. Practice this trick by doing over-the-top throws with your non-dominant hand. When you're comfortable doing them with both hands, pick one ball and throw that one back and forth over the top of the 2 inside throws. The half shower. The difference between the half shower and the full shower is in the bottom throw. If you look in the bottom throw of the half shower, you will see that it has some arc to it. In a full shower, the bottom throw will be completely flat. If you're interested in learning the full shower, check out tutorial number 11. When you practice this trick, it's a great idea to switch which side is doing the outside throws and which one's doing the inside throws. Practice both sides and it will help train your hands for more tricks. And finally, the reverse cascade, where every throw is an outside throw over the last throw. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll get right back to you. In the next video, tutorial number 5, I'm going to teach you 3 different ways to juggle 2 balls in one hand. Click the link down below. What is beneficial juggling? We're a non-profit organization founded by jugglers who feed, house, and educate youth in developing countries. We believe humans are one team on one planet, and we're working together to create a brighter future for humanity and planet Earth.